Hey everyone! Welcome back to MiTiles, your one-stop destination for premium tile designs and modern home decor inspiration. Today, we're super excited to reveal the top 5 tile designs from our exclusive 2025 collection. Get ready to discover the latest trends that will transform your spaces into pure luxury. At number 5, we have the Urban Concrete series, perfect for those who love minimalism with a bold edge. Inspired by raw cityscapes, these tiles offer a soft, matte texture that pairs beautifully with modern furniture, ideal for living rooms, kitchens, and even stylish cafes. Number 4 is the breathtaking Kurara marble collection. Timeless elegance meets modern durability. This design is all about sophistication. With soft gray veins running through pristine white surfaces, Kurara tiles are perfect for luxury bathrooms, grand entryways, and dining spaces. Taking the number 3 spot are the luxurious golden sand tiles. Warm, earthy, and naturally elegant, these tiles bring a rich golden hue that instantly adds warmth and charm to any room, perfect for accent walls, luxury lobbies, and cozy living spaces. At number 2, it's all about cozy vibes with our wood finish planks. They bring the warmth and texture of natural wood, but with the durability and low maintenance of tile. Perfect for bedrooms, hallways, and even outdoor patios. And finally, at number 1, the revolutionary sintered stone collection, built for the future. Sintered stone combines beauty, strength, and sustainability. Scratch-resistant, heat-proof, and almost maintenance-free. It's the ultimate surface for modern homes, kitchens, and commercial spaces. Sleek, stylish, and built to last a lifetime. There you have it, the top 5 tile designs by MiTiles for 2025. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more inspiring tile trends and home decor ideas every week. Thanks for watching.